What's up guys, Johnny here, and in today's video we are going to talk about Lucid Group Inc. or ticker symbol LCID. Now, this is another electric car company that is doing amazing today in the markets. It's up 10% almost in a single day, but the great news guys is because it has unlocked some fantastic news about its battery range compared to Tesla. Now, everyone knows that Tesla is one of those things that you hear a lot about. Elon Musk talks a lot. You hear him on Twitter about different things, and you hear a lot about Tesla, but what you don't hear about is Lucid Group Inc., which is another electric vehicle car manufacturer, and even NIO Inc., which is another electric car manufacturer. And if you want to check out NIO, I have done a stock analysis video just like this one. Check it out. I'll leave a link above, or I'll put a card so you can click on it later. Now, as far as Lucid Group goes, they are saying that they went to a new buy rating because they are beating Tesla's battery range. Now, this is just one reason why Lucid Group Inc. is able to outperform and get a buy rating and be able to move up 10% in a single day. And guys, watch throughout. We're going to go over the analytics. We're going to go over some charts and some predictions, as well as news and some other related articles. So if you like that kind of stuff, smash the like button and subscribe. Alright, so moving on, we are looking at a call for a $19 price target by RF Lafarty analyst, and they're saying that it's going to be due to its battery pack technology is the key differentiator for Lucid, providing both driving range and horsepower for its electric vehicles. The cool part about this is they're saying that the Lucid Air Dream Edition gets about 520 miles of range on a single charge, and the car delivers 1100 horsepower. That is just a tremendous advantage over the Tesla Model 3, 5, and the new gen coming out soon. Now, Lucid achieved those impressive specs by spending time and money on battery development. The company Activia division builds the battery packs for Formula E racing that opens wheels racing with all electric vehicles. That is just amazing, right? So the Dream Edition range comes from battery pack of about 112 kilowatt hours. That means the car is getting about 4.4 miles per kilowatt. Yeah, it's a lot of mumbo jumbo and numbers and things, but the main point of all this is that the Tesla Model Y long range is what this one is called, gets only about 320 miles per charge. Now, that's a significant difference. 320 miles compared to 520 miles. Like, they are outperforming Tesla to a degree that I'm not sure Elon Musk is going to be able to keep up with at the moment. With that said, let's move on to some charts. Now, as you can see here, some previous highs and lows, and I'd say within the last 2 to 3 months, it had some lows of around $13.25. So let's go ahead and mark that on the board, because you already know that is a good indication of where we are gonna have our risk, and that is a possibility of it being able to go down to that point, and technically all stocks have the potential to go down to zero. So with that said, moving on, and let's just get these on here. All right, so real quick, it doesn't look like it's too bad. It's up 10%, and it's just slightly above where the bottom mark is. Now, if you were to buy in with this company right now today at $16.56, you need a little bit of wiggle room for that spread. and it were to go down to some previous lows of 13.25, then you would probably lose out on about 20% if you sold on your investment. Now, if you're holding it long term, which is what I like to do with these companies, hold long term. I'm not big on day trading or swing trading, but when I see significant dips, I will buy more and average cost down. Now, if you were to buy at this point and it were to go up to the $21.87 mark, save a little room for a spread, so say $21.75, you would actually be up 31.5% on your investment today. Now, there is a risk that you can lose it all and potential to get high appreciation and rewards. Now, if you outscale this even further, as you can see, the lows haven't significantly reduced from where we are already, which is around the, I believe, $13-12 was our original low. Now, these lows are indicating about $9.60 of all-time lows since its fruition. Now, you'd be down about 41, almost 42% if it were to go down that low. But as you can see, it hasn't touched down that low in quite some time. Now, at the same time, it used to have a high of $64.86, and in recent years, looks like November-ish of 2021, it was up to $57. Let's just say you were to hold and it eventually were to go up to $52 again, you would be up 200% on your investment in the future. Now, does this company have the potential to go up to that point? Maybe it does eventually, but at the moment, I could probably only see it going up to the indicated price target of around $19, which is slightly below its previous high of $21.70. So if you were to get it up to the $19 price target, you would have roughly a 15% appreciation on your investment. If you were to sell, then you'd have about 15% profit. I can't say it can go up or not. Nobody really actually knows if it's going to get up to that point or not. But there are analysts saying that it has a buy rating as well as a price target of 19. Now, some of their financials, their earnings per share, it looks like for Q3 2022 was negative 0.32. Now, I usually do not like to invest in companies that have negative earnings per share or EPS. It's just not something I like to do. Their revenues were 0.24 billion, and their EBIT, they're also in negative 48 billion, net income negative 52 billion. So as far as their balance sheet goes, not a very good balance sheet going on right now. Their net asset value is 2.79 billion. Their net debt is 0.52 billion. So not the greatest. Cash flow is also in the negative at the moment, and their ROE is also in the negative at the moment. So I don't discourage people into investing in these companies, but you definitely are going to want to do your research. And if you're going to buy into this, you may be looking to hold for quite some time before you get your money back or before you see even some big gains, especially with companies that are in the negative. Always do your own research and invest at your own risk. But with that said, there is 8 analysts saying that this is a buy rating. The low price target was $12, which it has surpassed. The average price target is $26, and the high is $39. Now, that is just nuts if the price target were to go up that high, doubling or even tripling your investment, which would be fantastic. But again, you definitely are going to want to do your research with this one. And if you enjoyed this kind of video and want to see more like this, subscribe and smash the like button. And we'll see you in the next video. Definitely check out the Neo video. It's already out. And you guys have a great day.